beautiful Yonis, it's your girl Jin from Jin Yoni Flower and welcome to the Yoni tribe. Today I'm going to share with you lovelies how to DIY a bustier crop top just out of a thrift men's shirt in 4 easy steps. If you're interested, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe down below, and while you're doing that, hit on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So let's start, guys. So here I'm showing you guys that I already made a template for my cups. You can also do this, but I will show you what you can use, and that is just your bra. So step 1 is to mark 35 centimeters from the bottom, and this is going to be the length of the top. Then make sure you snip out your fabric with a pair of scissors. Step 2 is you have to take note of the position of your button placket, and each side of the button placket you're going to do a slight arch. This is what will be enabled for you to draw out your cups. I use my basic pattern as a template to line my cups on the top. Now that you draw your cups, you can cut out that excess bit of fabric. Just make sure to only cut through the top layer. So after that, you're going to hem the edge of the top with a straight stitch. The new bottom of the top you don't have to hem because it's already done, unless yours isn't. So snip off the excess fabric on both sides. After that, you're going to move on to the pockets. Here you're going to take your seam ripper and rip out the pockets on both sides if your man thrifted shirts got any of them. And you're going to do that because you need all the space for your bra cups. If that's done, then you're going to move on to step 3. So now you have to measure the length on one bra cup, and mine was 20 centimeters. So I'm going to add 5 centimeters to this. So it's going to be 25 centimeters in total. I also measured the width of one bra cup, and that was 15 centimeters. So I added 5 centimeters to make it 20 centimeters in total. Then you have to draw a half curve with the measurement and cut out 2 pieces with your scissors. After cutting out the fabric, you will have the exact same bits of shapes. You can zigzag it. This will also prevent the edge from fraying. So sew a stitch on the edge of your fabric. Make sure you don't use the back stitch. When finished, you need to gather the thread from the fabric in the size of your bra cup. Moving on to elastic straps. Yes, after that you need the elastic straps. So the width of your bra cup was 20 centimeter. Mine was. So I'm going to size the straps down to 10 centimeter and then cut out two pieces of each 10 centimeters. The elastic straps need to be sewed on the wrong face of the fabric pieces with a straight stitch. While sewing, make sure you pull on the elastic straps until the end of the fabric. You will be left with a gathering of two cups. Moving on to step 4 and final step. Yes, girl, it's that easy. So, in this step, we're going to do the sleeves. For the last step, you need to cut out the sleeves of your thrift shirt because you're going to use this as a sleeve on your new top. If you're not lazy like me, You can use a seam ripper, but I just use scissors. Then you're going to measure out 4 cm in width out from your wrist and 20 cm in length and pin that down or use a chalk as a guideline. So that piece you draw down, you need to sew on the sewing machine. Make sure you do that to the other sleeve as well. Moving on, your final step, you need a measuring tape to measure your left armpit straight to your right armpit. That centimeter is going to be your guideline for where your sleeves are going to sit on your top. Mine was 35, I think. And there you have it, a beautiful bustier top just out of a thrifted men's shirt and in 4 steps. Yes girl, it's that easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and see you next time guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!